The high wind is to blame for a part of a building collapse in Drumright. Osage Sky News 6 pilot Dustin Stone shows us the damage that you will only see this afternoon on 6.
This 104-year-old building in downtown Drumright is now being torn down after yesterday's high winds caused part of it to collapse, sending debris onto the street. As 45 to 50 mile-per-hour wind gusts came through town, Drumright's fire chief Brett Lunsford says some of the roof structure was damaged, which led to part of it falling. Lunsford says the building has been vacant for a while and nobody was injured, but he says it's sad to see old buildings like this one come down after standing for so long. Part of Highway 33 in front of the building was closed yesterday while crews cleared the debris, but it's now back open. Flying in Osage Sky News 6, Dustin Stone, Oklahoma's own News on 6.